Dear students, today I would like to start your chemistry. Chapter 1, Matters around us. Matter. Anything around us having some masses and occupied space are called matters. कुछ भी जिसमें कुछ मास हो, कुछ स्पेस छेके, उसे सिंपली हम मैटर बोलते हैं. एज एग्जाम्पल सुगर, ऑक्सीजन, सिल्वर, ब्रिक्स, etc. Classification of matter. How can we classify matters? In ancient times, some philosophers have tried and classified all the matters into 5 types or 5 subclasses as पंचतत्व, क्षितिजल पावक, गगन समीरा, पंचतत्व रचित अधम शरीरा. According to ancient philosophers, our body is made up of 5 types of element. These are air, water, earth or soil, sky and fire. But according to modern classification, matters are classified on physical and chemical basis. दो बेसिस पर इसको क्लासिफाई किया गया है, एक फिजिकल बेसिस पर, दूसरा केमिकल बेसिस पर. On the physical basis, matters are classified into solid, liquid, gas. And on the chemical basis, matters are classified into element, compound and mixture. Note, plasma or molten states are also according to physical basis. Plasma state is found in sun or star. This is not the topic of your chapter. Note, all matters are made up of tiny particles, molecules और atoms. सभी पदार्थ छोटे छोटे कणों के बने होते हैं, जिसे आप मॉलिक्यूल्स या एटम्स बोलेंगे. किसी मैटर में स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल मॉलिक्यूल होगा और किसी में एटम होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर. हाउ कैन वी से दैट matters have molecules or atoms or tiny particles present in it? For this, we want to produce some evidences about matters having tiny particles. Evidence 1: spreading of purple color of KMnO4 potassium permanganate in the whole water in a beaker. Suppose we have taken a beaker full of water. Some potassium permanganate is put in it. Now we observe that the purple colored potassium permanganate starts mixing in the water, and after some times the whole beaker becomes purple in color. It means potassium permanganate is spread out throughout the beaker in water. Hence, we can say that a matter have particles. For the second evidence, We can take another example as suppose it is a test tube having bromine vapor, red, brown in color, and another empty test tube is inverted over it. It contains air, simply colorless. Now, after some times, we see that the entire system becomes colored with red brown. It means the particles of brownish water bromine vapor spread throughout the system. It shows that matter have tiny particles, molecules or atoms. As the third evidence, we put some pollen grains on water surface present in a beaker. Now observe the movement of pollen grains. These pollen grains move in zigzag manner due to hitting of fast moving water particles in different directions. Hence, we can say that matters are made of tiny particles. Now, note mixing of two or more matter is called diffusion. Mixing of two or more matters or substance is called diffusion. Okay.